But let's address the elephant in the room. It's no secret that the credit repair market is teeming with leads that are frankly just not worth your time, whether they're struggling financially or simply not serious about repairing their credit. These broke-ass leads drain your resources and leave you feeling defeated. And let's not overlook the saturation of the market. Having to compete with numerous credit repair companies who have more followers, bigger budget, fancy cars, and little dick energy. Standing out from the crowd can feel like an uphill battle, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to cut through the noise and position yourself as a go-to authority in credit repair so that you can attract high-paying credit repair clients without posting or having a huge following. So the thing is, a lot of you guys are listening to these gurus that are teaching you about credit repair, but they're not actually teaching you how to run an actual credit repair business, how to sell, how to market. The reason they're not doing this is because they don't want you to compete with them. So they're teaching you the bullshit ass tactics on how to acquire clients. And, it's just not working. It's not growing your business. So I'm going to explain. So let me explain back when I started my marketing agency for credit repair business owners. So I spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentors, and coaching programs and still wasn't getting the results. Until I was just listening to Andrew Tate, and he said something that literally changed everything. He said, you need to stop paying attention on who's selling you, right? Or you need to start paying attention on who's selling you, but not only who's selling you, how are they selling you? And when I heard that, I realized that they sold me not what they were teaching me. So how they sold me is not what they were teaching me to do. So from that moment on, I paid more attention to what they were doing to get me, to sell me, not what they were teaching me. And that's when everything changed. And that's when I discovered this strategy that not only helped me identify more lucrative leads, but also allowed me to streamline my process and build authority, charge 5 times more than my competition, even though they have a bigger following and they post 10 times a day. And when I taught this to my clients, this instantly got them better leads. They had no problem paying them $1,800 to $3,000 in the credit repair services on the first call. Okay? So before I reveal the secret sauce, you have to understand the choice of words in your communication, your marketing, and your messaging is a direct reflection of the type of people you will draw in, which means you have to be niche specific. So a lot of you guys aren't niche specific. What do I mean by niche specific? That means that you need to be niche specific credit repair company. Okay? For example, there's med spas everywhere with less than a perfect credit score that needs to fix their credit, and they even need business credit to get funding to buy materials for their business. So instead of advertising to the whole world, make your messaging and your offer align with someone with money. Because the thing is, your offer is going to resonate. It's going to have people gravitate to you because it seems like you're specialized in providing a solution that was made just for them, even if it's the same goddamn process. Okay, so just simply by niching down your credit repair business to an industry specific niche, you're going to attract better qualified leads that's less saturated, leads that's willing and able to pay you what you're worth. Now, if you want to learn more about the new sales and marketing methodology that I kind of just taught you right there, and you want to scale your credit repair company like Alex Miller, who did $20 million during COVID in 12 months, I'm going to invite you to join me in the 4-day credit repair sales challenge, where I'm going to be sharing the exact process that took me 4 years to learn. I'm going to teach you in 4 days. All right, so click the link below or just join the challenge.